Any small thing, they go to social media. I've always said that the social media is garbage in, garbage out. So I hope that the way the Africans who use social media will not break the society.
From Monday last week out to the weekend,
Yes, it's my own.
there has been a ravaging social media report on a purported report that the Committee on Constitutional Review has penciled and proposed 12 states to be created. And therefore, the committee is submitting its report to the Senate. Mr. President, I'm a member of the Constitutional Review Committee. I'm equally a member that attended the zonal conference, the zonal constitutional conference committee in Maiduguri. First, our report from the zonal perspective has not been submitted to the main Constitutional Review Committee, and I've also asked other zonal leaders. Reports have not been tabled, nor submitted to the main committee. It is therefore imperative that the social media report that the National Assembly has penciled 12 states is fake, is toxic, and is an irresponsible media outlet. So it is important, Mr. President, to take this matter to Nigerians, that the Senate has not, for now, sat on any committee's report from the zonal levels. The main committee is yet to even receive nor evaluate any report. As a member of the review committee, Constitutional Review, we have not. The chairman of the Constitutional Review Committee is sat there, the Deputy Senate President. He has also said there was no meeting. So it is important to tell Nigerians to be aware of fake reports, especially tarnishing the image of this hollow chamber. I so submit, Mr. President.
Well, the Senator Nengi came under Order 4. It's not controversial. It's a straightforward issue on fake reports in the social media. I've always said that the social media is garbage in, garbage out. So I hope that the way the Africans who use social media will not break the society. That's my only hope. Because you will see where even the appointments will be made, they will go and fake letter-headed paper and write that the person has rejected the appointment, and then they will now rush to people they know and to go and lobby for that same appointment, when the person in question does not even know that he has rejected the appointment. So this is the problem we are having with the social media. And then unfortunately, some people revel in it. They relish in social media. Any small thing, they go to social media. So I do know that the Senate, it's important the public knows that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has not even concluded the processes of getting a final report for deliberation on constitutional amendment. And therefore, no single state, proposed or otherwise, has been created. And even if that were to be the case, it will involve all the houses or assemblies in the country. And we must get their 2/3 concurrence before anything can come back to us. And the two chambers, our House of Reps and the Senate, must also be involved. So I've seen some communities holding meetings on how they are going to develop their new states. And because the social media said states have been created for them. I think they said, how many states they said they created? 12 new states. So unfortunately, not one has even, there are proposals for state creation, well over 42 or so, but not one has reached a stage where we can even say we have finished zonal deliberations or even finished national deliberation and then transmitted to state houses of assembly and then brought back to the National Assembly for deliberations, and thereafter go into the processes of making amendments or alterations to the Nigerian Constitution are very laborious and very stringent. So please, the public should be aware, as raised by Senator Nengi, that no state has been created by this august assembly. And every report to that effect in the social media is fake. I hope people are educated with this.
Point of order.
Yes, distinguished Senator Benga Daniels.
The matter for discussion shall, if possible, be referred to the President of the Senate before commencement of the day's sitting, Ogun East Senatorial District. I come order 41 and 51.
The Senate, in the Committee of the Whole, considered the report of the Committee on Health, Secondary and Tertiary on the Federal Oil and Gas Hospital, Benin-Kruku Establishment Bill 2025 and approved as follows. Long title as recommended. Number of clauses 1 to 17 as recommended. Interpretation clause on clause 18 as recommended. Short title on clause 19 as recommended. Explanatory memorandum as recommended. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Leader of the Senate. Leader of the Senate. May wish to move that.
Thank you, Mr. President. I rise to move that the bill be now, the bill be now read for the third time. Thank you.
Minority Leader.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I rise to grant the motion moved by the Senate Leader. As a second.
Distinguished colleagues, those in support that this bill be now read a third time, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clerk. A bill for an act to provide for the establishment of the Federal Oil and Gas Hospital in Benin-Kruku, Warri Southwest Local Government Area of Delta State, to provide comprehensive medical services to workers in the oil and gas industry, as well as to communities affected by oil and gas operations and for related matters, 2025. Bill taken for the third time. Distinguished colleagues, a bill for an act to provide for the establishment of the Federal Oil and Gas Hospital in Benin-Kruku, Warri Southwest Local Government Area of Delta State, to provide comprehensive medical services to workers in the oil and gas industry, as well as to communities affected by oil and gas operations and for related matters, third reading taken and passed. So I want to thank distinguished Senator Banigu and members of the committee that worked on this, and to congratulate the good people of Benin-Kruku in Warri Southwest Local Government Area of Delta State for this comprehensive medical center that will cater for those suffering, that will cater for those in the oil and gas industry, as well as communities adjoining the hospital premises. And pray that this will lead to a healthier society, a much more convenient and health-wise environment, and also thank our distinguished colleagues for their contributions up to this stage of the bill.